Well, that depends on which type of water heater. So we're going to go a couple different places here. Your tankless water heater, the number one reason is that it's scaled up. They do also have computers in them. So if there's anything funky going on with the electricity, sometimes a breaker will trip or a GFI will trip, and the machine is actually fine, but the computer doesn't have any power. So you do have to have power for them. It's one of the things that happens in power outages, sadly. If you have a tankless water heater, if the power goes out, you also now have no hot water because it needs power to run the computer to make it heat. For an electric tank style heater, elements and thermostats going bad are the number one cause of those not heating anymore. For a gas tank style heater, a pilot or a thermocouple going out, the number one reason for those not heating. And an electric tankless, the number one reason for those not heating is because they're horrible machines. We haven't gotten the technology to the point where they work very well without massive electrical inputs to them. So most times in a residential situation, even a brand new, properly functioning electric tankless is going to underperform because it just needs too much power and the average household can't keep up with it.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.